After a bit of detective work, I've discovered the perfect home for you. Let's go check it out. Welcome in. Off the entry, we have our formal dining room and a space that could be used as an office or a fifth bedroom. Oh my goodness, I do not need a magnifying glass to show me just how huge this island is. We also have a butler's pantry, mudroom, and a laundry room with a sink. This home has a very open floor plan with a spacious living room with a gas fireplace, breakfast nook, and built-in workstation. Right off the living space, we have the primary suite. Now let's go discover what's upstairs. We have this huge upstairs living space, media room, and 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Covered back patio, and plenty of room to make this yard your own. A few more things I've discovered about this home is it's located on a cul-de-sac, it's totally move-in ready, and it's a great location here in McKinney. If you have any other questions or would like a private tour, please reach out to me.